to another cooking of Judy Cooking 360. So today we're gonna make some fried rice. Shrimp fried rice, that is. Now, I have here a pound of shrimp. I'm just gonna add a little Old Bay seasoning, maybe a teaspoon on here. Give it a little spice. And a little white pepper, half a teaspoon of white pepper. Okay. First things first, I'm gonna do my onions. I don't want you guys to burn after. And then I'm gonna add the shrimp right in. I want to cook the halfway through first before I do the rice. Have you ever gone to a Chinese restaurant and you ordered shrimp fried rice and there's 2 shrimp on top? Yeah, it's telling you it's shrimp fried rice, but you have more fried rice than shrimp in there. So this is about a pound of shrimp. I went ahead and cut them in 2 just so that they can be smaller. I hate the little tiny shrimp for this. Alright, I think this is enough for this part. Take this out. I don't want to overcook it. That's the whole point. So now we're gonna add our rice in here. Spread this out a little piece of burnt onion. Now, I'm going to add just about a half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of sesame oil, dark soy sauce, just a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. You can add a little more if we need to. And just about some hoisin sauce. You want it to be tasty and delicious. This looks like about a teaspoon. Some green onions and some green peas and carrots. Yeah, let's get this all together. Oh my gosh, guys, the smell is so delicious. And this didn't take long now, did it? Now I add back my shrimp. I only want the shrimp. I don't want any juice in here whatsoever. I just want it to be tasty, full of shrimp, and not soggy. And there you have it, guys. My Chinese fried rice. Two more turns and that's it. Stove off. Let's split this up. And there we go. That's it. Now this is loaded with shrimp, right? And here I have some scallions I'm gonna put on top. Those green onions really look good on top of it. There you go, guys. My shrimp fried rice. Thanks for watching. Judy Cooking 360. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're joining me for the first time, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.